Dogecoin, Doge, digital money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished on the off chance that a digital money has solid local area support. Brought into the world as an internet image, Dogecoin shows how a basic joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost forecast. Dogecoin origin and purpose. Dogecoin was planned utilizing the codebase of Litecoin, and its improvement was pointed toward giving an option in contrast to Bitcoin. It ought to have been a more receptive and cordial digital money. Its most particular component, notwithstanding, is its mascot. The designers of Dogecoin picked a good times approach towards its turn of events. Dogecoin was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin 1 moment against 2.5 minutes in LTC. Dogecoin's mining trouble is changed each block found and the award is fixed. The most particular change occurred in the brand and it turned into a main thrust behind its fame. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to stand out in different virtual entertainment. The coin turned renowned even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. Noble cause and tipping. For around 3 years the image coin was renowned yet not effectively exchanged, and there were no quick cost developments by the same token. A few foundation programs and a cordial Doge people group assisted the coin with getting the trust of the local area. The coin developed its client base with the assistance of the Reddit people group and other social stages. It moved the Dogecoin market cap in rates not even the most bullish experts might have anticipated. Doge cost dropped essentially, and its market cap has additionally left its high point. In any case, it is one of the best 15 coins available, and by and large ROI is around 11,000%. It is additionally really well-known advanced coin, since Elon Musk is empowering clients to get it and send it to the moon. Dogecoin, Doge, price analysis. 2018 was an extreme and negative year for Doge. Comparably to the next market, Dogecoin cost brought down by the deficiency of the public's consideration. Dogecoin cost was in a downtrend for all of 2018, notwithstanding the multiple times the Dogecoin cost was going up for a brief time frame. Today, the drawn-out Dogecoin conjecture isn't extremely splendid. During the value falls of March, July, and September, Dogecoin was falling alongside the market. The Doge cost drop isn't however awful as it could be for Bitcoin, and the cost spikes after the downtrend show that Doge was recuperating quicker than BTC. Dogecoin is clearly exceptionally reliant upon the general interest in the blockchain business and acts like a large portion of different coins. Examine the cryptocurrency price predictions recordings distributed on our site. For instance, Zcash and Bitcoin Cash, the two coins reflected the Bitcoin cost diagram. Because of the way that Doge relies upon the digital currency market developments, anticipating its cost becomes troublesome, particularly in the long-term. In expansion to Dogecoin, there are other digital currencies that can carry cash to their proprietors, the best cryptographic money to put resources into 2022 for long haul. Dogecoin trend analysis. Dogecoin prominence was remarkably steady throughout the span of the earlier year. You can see on the accompanying chart that the coin even figured out how to get a hunt-term Dogecoin spike in notoriety. The coin was extremely intriguing for Google clients with regards to January 2018. Several less huge pinnacles occurred in July and December. Toward the beginning of 2019, the notoriety was around a similar level as it was in a similar time of 2018, which is a significant achievement regarding the business emergency happening today. Like Dash, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of Dogecoin look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option, in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between normal individuals. As of late, Dogecoin's cost increased 100%. Such a triumph was hanging tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoins showed his mining ranch. An admonition has showed up on Dogecoin's true Twitter account focused on potential digital currency purchasers. In it, designers ask not to capitulate to FOMO and settle on venture choices all alone. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Dogecoin will be $0.097. The greatest level that the Doge cost can reach is 12 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 10 cents. August 2022. Dogecoin price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Doge cost will be exchanged at $0.092 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to 10 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.089 in August 2022. Doge price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Dogecoin costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $0.095. The least and pinnacle Doge rates may be $0.092.11. October 2022. Dogecoin price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Doge cost will be around $0.097. In October 2022, the Dogecoin cost might drop to at least $0.094. The normal pinnacle worth may be 11 cents in October 2022. Doge price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Dogecoin costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Doge rate could arrive at a limit of 11 cents in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to $0.095. For November 2022, the determined normal of Dogecoin is almost $0.099. December 2022. Dogecoin price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Dogecoin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 10 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the Doge cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0.097.12. Dogecoin price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 15 cents. The most extreme expected Doge cost might be around 17 cents. By and large, the